How to change the here is the welding on. Welding on is here. Start. The next is welding thing. If we want to change the speed, here is start. Here is end. The speed, you can see it speed in the end. Here is one circle. Also here is one circle. Start, middle, end, start, middle, end. Here is end. Here is end. You can see it. Here is it, right? The speed is end. How to change the speed? We only change the speed to here. If we want to change the 15, please OK. He also change it, right? Here is change it so 16. He also change it, right? After you do it, you know, auto run, changing the auto run. Here you must choose a stop, and choose mode. Choose this line. Choose auto, then run again. Okay, run again. Choose start here. Run again. Okay. Let's change the position and change the speed.